Today we're making Cajun shrimp and grits. The first thing we're going to do is add a 1/4 cup of butter. We're making our mix to our pan. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of mixed garlic, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce or sriracha sauce, whichever you prefer. And then we're going to stir them all together. Once we have the seasonings mixed together, we're going to get ready to put in 1 pound of cooked shrimp and saute it. Once we have our sauce heated up nice and thick, we're going to add our shrimp in. And we're going to toss the shrimp until it's all coated, moving it back on top of the burner so that we can mix it in the sauce. Now that our shrimp is done, we're going to make our grits. We're going to put 5 cups of milk in a large pot with a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Once our milk is boiling, as it is here, we're going to dump 1 cup of grits into the milk and garlic mixture, and we're going to stir it until it starts to thicken. Once our grits have thickened, we're going to add in our cream cheese and our shredded cheddar cheese. And we're going to stir until that melts into the rest of the moisture. And there you have it, Cajun shrimp and grits. Voila!